Hey guys, we're live at 9:47, running the final mini for Gary's Droids R2. Check him out. I got 15 spots. I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winners. Top two win spots in the main. Paste them in there, 1 through 15. Got to get at least a 5 here on the dice. Got 11. We're good to go. Good luck, guys. Alex and Nick, round 1. Donnie 2. Donnie 3. Donnie 4. Alex takes round 5. Kenneth 6. And 7. Donnie again on top in round 8. Nick 9. Nick takes round 10 with number 13. Bringing us to the final round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winners are Alex and Donnie. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification. OMOFFG. There they are. Excuse me, I'm done at 9:48. There it is. There they are. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Thanks.